my dear crafters. So last week you saw my trip to Michael's and I flipped through a lot of their paper pads. And this is the one, I'm sure you're wondering which one I picked, and I picked this one. And I'll tell you why. Well, first, let me tell you what my rule is for buying a paper pad. I have to fall in love with at least 5 sheets of paper, because otherwise sometimes you see one and you go, wow, I love this, but then you never want to use the rest. So that's what I do. I look at it, and if I fall in love with 5, which means 10 pages, then I buy it. And that's what happened to this one, not only because it's very unusual, the colors and even the designs are very unusual, but also I bought a whole bunch of paper pads that are traditional colors for Christmas, like a lot of reds and greens. So I didn't want to buy another one that was traditional. And that's coming up too. It's Echo Park. I bought those 6x6 paper pads and a lot of ephemera packs. And I'm going to be showing you within the next few days, because my Christmas craft fair series and for gifts is coming up. So I'm going to be using a lot of this stuff. So, and this year, just so you know, I'm going to have part 1 and 2, because I have a lot of craft fairs this year and I've been selling a lot. I just had one that I sold like 60% of everything that I brought in. So I'll be using this stuff that I'm showing you on part 2. But just keep coming back. We're going to have at least 2 videos a week, okay? So this is the one that I chose from Michael's Recollections. And let me show you. I'm going to flip through. So you see, as I told you, I love that it's non-traditional colors, and their assortment of paper, these paper cutouts are beautiful. I love this, and I love the pinks and blues. I love this paper here too. It's a great for backgrounds and all the things that I'm going to make for this for crafts and my little gifts. So look at this. This is one that I fell in love with. So that's one of the 5. Look how gorgeous this is. So that's one of the 5. Let me show you another one. These are little tiny ones. They have a lot of cutouts. I love this one too. The blue. I just like blue. Let me show you. See the cutouts, and it comes with some. I love when it comes with tags, because that's halfway. If you want to make like a tag box or a tag pouch, you already have the tags here, and you just color coordinate with the paper. That's the second one that I fell in love with. Look how beautiful. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit more. I mean, this is good enough, but look at this paper here. That's my second. My third one is this. Look at these gorgeous paper. So third, so a lot of them. Fourth, that's one that I absolutely love, these little trees. You can use the paper or just cut them as trees too. So that's 4. And I love this one. It's just very basic with stripes, but it has foiling in the middle. So this would be great. I really like this one too. And I love this one for big like boxes. So I'll be using that. Or even if you cut this, it's a beautiful card front. All you need is a Merry Christmas here and you have a beautiful card. So even for cards, that's very useful. So that's the one. It's called Candy Brights by Recollections. And to go with this, because I'm going to make some cards that are shaker cards, look at what I bought. Look at this. This is beautiful. It's like these Christmas lights. And I thought that it would go. The color is perfect for this, and it adds some bling. Love it. Really, really nice. Let me put some in my hand so you see. So look at that. Isn't that gorgeous for shaker cards? So that's what you're going to be seeing on part 2 of my series. All the stuff that I'll make with this paper and this. Now, let's move to some of the things that I bought at Hobby Lobby. So first of all, this was such a find because I just had, and I'm going to bring you all the results of my Christmas fairs, all like the best sellers, what didn't sell well, but honestly, the last one that I had, everything sold well, but I did have things that within the first 2 or 3 hours, they were gone. So one of the things that I sold a lot were cards. And I always, it always amazes me that people still buy cards because of all this digital era. But guys, people love cards. And so I needed something quick and easy to use. And I found this at Hobby Lobby for 50, because all their stuff is 50% off already. So you basically buy 50 card bases for, this was 8, so it was like $4.55 or something, like $4.25, because it's 50% off. So you have, if you have something like this, and let me show you some of the options here. I should have opened it before, but let me just tear this, the side here, and the other side. So if you have something like this, look at that. You get like 2 or 4, I think you get 5 of each. And if you have this, if you just use for quick cards, these are perfect. So you can use like a frame here, an ephemera piece or a stamped image in just a sentiment, and you're halfway there. So I love to buy bases like this for Christmas cards because they're just halfway, you're halfway there. You already have half of your card. And look at this, polka dots. You can't beat a polka dot. I love polka dots. Oh, look at this for an horizontal one. Love this one. So I just love that they had this bag, this box of cards. I'll just show you some. Yeah, so it is the season. So if you have something like this, it will make your life much easier when you make cards to send to your friends or to sell them. For selling, it's perfect. I mean, do the math. 50 cards for $4.50. So yeah, and I sell my cards for $5 each. And I just sold like a lot on my last craft fair. So let me show you some. These are all, from now on, it's all from Hobby Lobby, okay? So I always buy their die cuts because they're so, I love the vintage one. And this is very sturdy cardstock. It's actually almost like chipboard. And you get, I don't know, 20 pieces. These are great for decorating your craft fair items. It's done, you just put it there and it's easy. And look at the price. I mean, $3, everything is half off. So it's $1.50 for 20 of these. So very nice. They have great, they also have great sticker books. These are great for your small items too, like tags, your tea bags, pouches, the little notebooks, the miniature things like post-it notes. And it's really, really helpful when you have stickers for those. So I do use their stickers a lot. Every year I go to Hobby Lobby and I buy a lot of stickers, and I do use it a lot. I mean, this is one, it's $5.50, but remember, everything here is, look at this, for sentiments, the sentiments are here. All you need is to just glue it on a like a solid to make it pop. And look at how beautiful these are. I mean, very, very cool for, especially for craft fair items, because you need something quick. Otherwise, it's not worth the time because you're not going to sell it for very expensive. So look at this. So you use these a lot. So that's their sticker book. I buy a lot of stickers there. So I'm just going to show you all the stickers first, okay? And then I'll show you the most beautiful paper that I got there. So these are puffy stickers. This one is $2.99, so $1.50, because everything's like 50% off. Very nice puffy stickers. So that's one. More, I always buy the ones that have gold, because you guys know I love my gold. So these are very nice too. And you get, that's $2. So that means $1. 25 stickers. This same thing, $2. And dogs, I don't know where you live, but here in Portland, if you put a dog on it, people buy it. They don't even look at what it is. They love dogs here. It's the most dog-friendly city in the US, I think. So these I bought last year and I used them all for my craft fair things. They're very, let me just show you close by because the plastic doesn't help. But these are very, very pretty snowflakes. And they peel off their stickers, and they have a lot, they have like glitter on them. I don't know if you can see well, but they're glittery. And these are beautiful when you have like a darker color paper item, and you get, this is $2.50, so $1.75, 30 pieces. So this one is $2 too, so $1.40. And this is like such a great deal. I mean, look at this. These are very nice quick peel off stickers, and you get 110. These are for the small items as well. $2.50, which means $1.25. So you're gonna, for $1.25 you get 110. I mean, you can't beat that, can you? I mean, these are very nice for the small items. I got some more of that, the Christmas round thing, and this one too. They're label stickers as well, and they're gold, but they have images instead of the Merry Christmas, but the same idea. $2.50, so $1.25 for 80. These are just unbeatable, honestly, in terms of prices. And these I love. These are puffy stickers, so they're puffy, and again, they're small. Look at that, but they're great. They're great for your small items as well. So $3, so $1.50 for 32. So that's that for stickers. I bought this as well, some twine, gold and silver. So $3, $1.50 for this twine. So 2 pieces, each one has 25 yards. That's a lot. And I'm going to use these a lot. And you're going to see something that I'm going, oh, I just had the idea and I just bought it online. It's this little, I'm not going to tell you. It's going to be a surprise. But anyway, I have so many ideas. I have way too many ideas, honestly, for my own sake. So here's the paper. Last thing that I want to show you, but my goodness, I didn't want to buy one that was very, very traditional in terms of colors. And I bought that one from Michael's, and I bought this one that I thought was gorgeous from Hobby Lobby. It's cardstock, so it's not very thin. It's not thin paper, which I often use more than paper because I make, as you know, I make all these items that I need that are sturdiness for. So I mean, look at this. It's called Star of Bethlehem. It was $5 because it's 50% off. And look at how gorgeous this paper is. It's another color coordination, another, color scheme, and you get 3 of each. I love this paper here. Look how beautiful. I just love blue, and I think they did a great job. You get 4 of each. 6, 15, yeah, 4 of each. So that's really, really nice. Look at this one. The color scheme is beautiful. This one, I think this one I'm going to try to even cut the ornaments themselves because they're so beautiful. So look at that. It's just very blue. Oh, and look at this. Look how beautiful this one is, honestly. I fell in love with this paper and said, okay, gonna have to get it. Oh my goodness, guys. Will I ever stop buying paper? I don't know. Maybe. Maybe not. Why, right? Why would I do that? So look at that. Oh, I love this paper. Really, really nice. I was not planning to buy paper. I go there for the stickers and the card bases. But I saw this. It just jumped on me. Very, very nice. Oh, Holy Night. So yeah, Star of Bethlehem. And of course, I bought one more paper punch because I use circles of all sizes. I use them a lot. And I didn't have one of this size. So let's try it out. It's a very good size. It's not heavy because I have the 1 inch, and this one is, it says 0.625. How can you even calculate that in your head, right? But let me show you. So it's larger than half an inch. I just thought it was a very good size that I need a lot, and I sometimes look for something this size to work with my the 1 inch, you know, just to layer them on top of each other. So I found this and it was nice. It wasn't expensive. It was like $3.49. And there was no coupon for this because that's not Christmas. So everything Christmas now is 50% off. So that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed my haul. And guys, if you are not a subscriber, do subscribe, because I'm coming up with so many good ideas for you, gifts for Christmas. And if you do craft fair, I have 2 craft fair series. Well, it's one, but part 1 and part 2, because I made so many things. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for being here. Yeah, let's do Christmas. Best time of the year.